Indian girl, Geeta, who happens to be deaf and mute, who's been stranded in Pakistan for over a decade, is set to return home tomorrow finally. Geeta will fly to Delhi, where she hopes to be reunited with her loved ones. Imagine the sentiment for the family and for the girl who crossed into Pakistan so many years ago. She has identified her father, stepmother and siblings from a photograph sent by the Indian High Commission in Islamabad. Geeta will be accompanied by 5 officials from the charitable Edhi Foundation, which has been looking after her all these years. The government has decided to carry out DNA testing to verify Geeta's parents, following which she will be handed over to the family. Janardhan Mahato, who has been identified as her father, expressed confidence that he will pass the DNA test. He said celebrations have begun in his village in Bihar to welcome their daughter Geeta home.
Less than 24 hours from now that Geeta is expected to touch down on the Indian soil. The father Janardhan Mahato, sir, आपकी बेटी कल आने वाली है. क्या आपको उत्सुकता है? कुछ क्या मतलब कैसे आपको इमोशंस कैसे जाग रहे हैं?
बहुत मेरा खुशहाली है. बहुत दिमाग जो है ना चंचल मेरा है. बहुत हमारे गांव जो है ना ग्रामीण कबीरा धाम का वो भी बहुत खुशहाली गान बजान सब कर रहा है. बहुत आनंद से ये कब आवे. मैं भी वहां से मरते दम पर भी आए हैं.
सर कैसे पहली बार पता चला कि गीता ही आपकी बेटी है? क्योंकि 12 साल बिछड़ गए, कोई एक लंबी दौर है, ये छोटी टाइम नहीं है.
वो नेशनल चैनल पर हमारा भैगना डॉक्टर है सुरेश, वो दिखलाई. 5 रोज के बाद ले गया वहाँ 5 दिन वहाँ रहे. सारे कुछ देखे, सारे रास्ता देखे, सारे इशारा देखे, शकल सूरत देखे. पूरा हमको यकीन हो गया हमारा बेटी है. फोटो सुषमा जी को दिए, फोटो भी कबूल कर लिया. फिर दोबारा फोटो 5 लड़का के लड़की का पति पत्नी का फोटो वो भी भेजा. अभी वो फोटो को पकड़े हुए हैं. अभी वही फोटो को मंदिर में रख के पूजा भी कर रही है. समाचार में रात में सुने.
ये बताइए कि कल जब गीता आएगी तो आपका पहले आप क्या करेंगे? उससे गले मिलेंगे?
जी, पहले तो आएगा सामने होगा तो हम क्या मिलेंगे, वो अपने आप को उठ करके गले लग जाएगी. सिर्फ हम खड़े रहेंगे, फोटो हमको दिखा देंगे तो अपने आप को दौड़ के मिल जाएगा.
सर जहाँ तक हम जानते हैं कि गीता का नाम गीता नहीं हीरा है, तो जब वापस आएगी उसको किस नाम से बुलाएंगे?
तत्काल के लिए तो हम तो अभी जैसे सबका इतना दूर का लोग सब तो गीते कहेगी ना. जन्मभूमि जाएगी
जी,
तो मैंने रखिए जो 98 आदमी गीते करके पुकारेगी और तो हीरा ही कहेगी. हम तो जन्मदाता, हम तो हीरे कहेंगे ना. लेकिन गांव ग्रामीण जितना है पंचायत का वो तो ही गीते कहेगी जी. गीता है, नहीं आई है, नहीं आ गई, बहुत दिन पर बिछड़े हुए आ गए.
परिवार में अच्छा माहौल है, खुशी का माहौल है कि भी इतने दिन बाद हमारी बहन आ रही है. तो हम लोग जा रहे हैं मिलने के लिए, लेने के लिए जा रहे हैं.
दिल्ली जा रहे हैं?
हाँ जी, दिल्ली जा रहे हैं.
देखिए, जैसा आप लोगों को पता है कि गीता एक भारतीय नागरिक है. इस नाते भारत सरकार उसकी स्वेच्छा से, उसकी इच्छानुसार भारत जा रही हैं. उसके बाद कार्यक्रम ये है कि गीता जी का जो परिवार है उस परिवार को सौंपने से पहले इनका डीएनए टेस्ट कराया जाएगा. अगर डीएनए टेस्ट में इनके परिवार के सदस्य होने का सबूत मिलता है तो उनको सौंप दिया जाएगा. अन्यथा गीता जी को किसी अच्छे इंस्टीट्यूट में पूरी देखरेख के साथ तब तक रखा जाएगा जब तक कि इनके परिवार का पता नहीं लग जाता.
ये 12 साल से हमारे पास थी, हमारे बच्चों की तरह थी. हमसे बहुत ज़्यादा अटैच हो गई थी और बहुत ज़्यादा यहाँ पे खुश भी थी. मगर इसको जाना था अपने वतन, अपने माँ बाप के पास, तो ये ना वहाँ पे जा रही. तो हम खुश हैं कि ये अपने असल जगह पे ये जा रही है.
I want to go straight across and bring you Deputy Editor Smita Sharma live in on this. She's been bringing us all the details of the preparations for Geeta's big return. Difficult to imagine for us, reporting on the story and bringing it to our viewers. Smita, what an amazingly sentimental and anxious moment this is going to be, both for Geeta's family as well as Geeta herself. 15 years away from the country. She's, hearing and speech impaired. She's pointed at that photograph. Just bring us up to speed, Smita, on the preparations. Everything set for Geeta's big return?
Absolutely, Shiv, and it's not just about Geeta and her probable family, but also about ED Foundation members who were the second home for Geeta for all these years.
Absolutely.
So while the story has had that emotional connect in both the nations, Shiv, what we do know is, of course, tomorrow morning at around 10:30 is when Geeta arrives in that flight from Karachi, the Pakistan Airlines flight. There will be a brief interaction with media persons at the airport itself, and then at around 3 o'clock, Sushma Swaraj will do a proper press conference for the press, of course, with Geeta present next to her. Geeta's family has been called into Jawaharlal Nehru Bhavan at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Remember, her probable father, Janardhan Mehto's DNA samples have already been collected. Geeta's samples will be collected tomorrow, and the DNA test reports will come in around 2 days. So around Wednesday or Thursday, it will be confirmed if indeed Janardhan is really Geeta's original parent or not. But clearly, you know, Shiv, other than the fact that there will be a reunion of their family, the fact that Geeta will be able to return to her homeland after all these years, more than anything else, I think it inspires a lot of hope in all these stories, because there are just so many Geetas and children like her in both the countries who perhaps need that kind of political push that we saw happening in Geeta's case.
You know, a lot of people will be very curious, and you know, since you cover the external affairs, the foreign affairs beat, Smita, you know, with so many animosities and hostilities currently on between India and Pakistan, you know, on the diplomatic front, on the political front, at the border, the line of control, as far as the cricket series is concerned, you know, should this be seen as a kind of diplomatic, you know, a kind of victory? A lot of people will be very curious about how officials on both sides make something like this possible, even amidst so many hostilities.
You know, Shiv, there was a movie which was called Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gham, and I think when India-Pakistan we talk about this relationship, it's actually Kabhi Khushi and mostly Gham. But having said that, you know, despite all these hostilities, we have seen these moments of people-to-people connect, the humanitarian angle stories of a Pakistani child, you know, being operated upon in India through crowdfunding, or of course an Indian helicopter flying into Pakistani airspace, but the Indian pilot actually being returned in safety. These are stories that have captured the imagination of the people of these two nations, you know, who otherwise may be away from what the political and the strategic setups are doing. But clearly, you know, I do not think any side will come and claim as a diplomatic victory. It was a huge task. It's like looking for a needle in a haystack, which is when, of course, you know, the movie Bajrangi Bhaijaan 2 helped garner a lot of momentum, because this case has been, you know, Ansar Bani, the Pakistani international human rights activist, has been trying to raise this for the last 4 or 5 years. But when a movie comes and captures, you know, people's imagination, it helps a case like Geeta's.